In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a map sensor on a Jeep Cherokee. It's located in the back side of the engine. Raise and support the vehicle till the wheels are safely off the ground. You want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. First thing you want to take off is this splash shield. It's got one 10 millimeter bolt and 2 clips. Straight out towards you, this is the outer part of the clip. And that's the inner part of the clip. Same with this one. Pull out towards you. There's your outer part. And there's your inner part. 10 millimeter bolt. Put that off to the side. After removing that piece of plastic, this is your map sensor. You want to unplug it by pushing this tab down and pulling it out. Set that off to the side. And you want to take this and you want to turn it counterclockwise till it stops and then pull straight out. Your map sensor has this little O-ring. You want to put some lubricant around that. That way when you install it, you don't rip that O-ring. Put your map sensor in the hole till it clicks, turn it to the right, all the way down, and then put your plug on. Wait for it to click. Install your shield. Bolt there. Put your 2-part clips in. There. Your inside clip first, and then your outside. Push it in. If those clips don't go in, you can always just use a hammer to tap it. Tighten up your 10 millimeter bolt. After you install your splash shield, now it's time to put your wheel back on, put it on the ground. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, you're going to torque these lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.